With the holidays fast approaching and the popularity of gift cards, I thought it'd be really fun to do a quick and easy gift card wallet tutorial. This is a 5-minute project suitable for the beginning sewist. There's so many fun ways to personalize it and make it yours with either fancy scissors or adding a Velcro closure, or with the numerous textiles out there. You could even do some embroidery and personalization on it. We are going to do the basic design today, and for starters, let's take a look at the materials and supplies we're going to use. This is a really fun project to embellish, but in its simplest form, it takes very few supplies. All you'll need is a 4" by 10" piece of non-fraying fabric. I love working with cork. You could also use vinyl or felt. Just make sure you've got a needle that will work with your fabric. And for some fabrics like vinyl, a Teflon foot is helpful, although this is such a small project that I wouldn't say it was required. I like to use a little bit of glue, but you could get by with just the clips. And when sewing on cork, I use 100% polyester thread, an all-purpose thread. Other than that, just some standard sewing implements, and we are ready to get started. I'm going to turn my piece of fabric upside down so that the wrong side's facing up, and then use my cutting mat to measure 2 1/4 inches. I'm going to fold it in at 2 1/4 inches. I'm going to finger press this to create a little memory crease. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. And I like to put a little glue on these sides to hold them down. You could just use clips if you wanted. Now's a great time to do a quick visual and make sure that the center between our pocket openings looks even and straight. And then make sure that our sides are flush. If need be, a straight edge and rotary cutter could be used to trim those real quickly before sewing. I'm going to take this to the machine and sew up these long ends, throwing an extra stitch in at the pocket openings. After sewing the first side, I am going to lift my needle, and instead of using the automatic thread cutter, I'm going to cut those threads manually. This will prevent our thread from bunching up into a bird's nest on the reverse side of the fabric when we start sewing up the second side. And now our gift card holder is ready to fold. Give it a little finger press and load up. I'm going to put some gift cards in there and a little bit of cash, and it is ready to go. And that concludes the super quick and easy gift card holder tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. And I hope that you have some fun with this and enjoy your holiday season. And as always, until next time, happy sewing.